fall softly through the evening light. Books and dreams are drifting through my mind. All the things we learn become the way we touch tomorrow. Nothing's really higher, nothing low. Underneath the sky, we're all the same. Love is something eyes can never hold, only hearts can know. Across the universe we wander slow, searching for the truth inside our souls. Life is just a road to who we are, on and on we go. Families whisper like a gentle rain, habits growing quietly through the years. Every choice becomes another song we leave behind us. Jai Guru Deva Jai. Life keeps rolling on. Jai Guru Jai Guru Jai Guru Deva. We become the song. Nothing you can touch will ever stay. Only kindness echoes in the dark. So I'll keep on changing with the wind till my heart is free. Across the universe we wander slow, shadows turning into streams of gold. All the hidden things we cannot see live inside the soul. Jai Guru Deva Deva, we become the song.